goes our city geyser. Goes off every hour on the hour. Just getting started. They hit this geyser back in 37. Back in 1937 when they were digging to drilling for a hot pool to put a hot swimming pool here, and they hit a gas chamber that starts shooting water 65 to 90 feet in the air, and it still does it every day on the hour. Now they control it and have to open it up every hour. But this is the geyser in Soda Springs, Idaho. When they hit the gas chamber and it started to erupt, it erupted for a whole week, and government called them and told them they needed to cap it off because it was interrupting the Yellowstone geyser, Old Faithful, not letting it go off on time. So in some way they must be connected together. But this is, there's a lot of people usually comes around. Oh wow, it's even going higher and higher now. Oh, I flipped it around on me. It's crazy. Hit the wrong button trying to squeeze it up tower. Wow.